What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today I am going to review Adangu Maru. Since we have been watching so many cops dramas, movies, and web series, and I think it will be the very best movie to watch it. Subhash is an IPS aspirant, come sub inspector, and he is sensitive, and he has a girlfriend, a family to look after, and he is a common person and doing his duty. And somehow there comes a case where a middle class girl is being murdered, and his officer was forcing him to wrap up the case and not to indulge himself more into details. But since the girl is from a poor family and he is a common man, and he gives priority to each and every individual, and he thinks that he should take the case by himself, whereas his boss was against it. So he goes through all the research work and finally found out there are guys from the rich and influential family who are involved in it, and he nabbed them and put them inside behind the bar. But this annoys his boss and he was suspended. And once he goes back home, he found all his family members are being murdered. Thus starts the story. The story is normal, similar, same like old revenge drama, but here they have come up that sometimes even if you don't have a good muscle power and you are battling with all those people, especially bureaucracy and political resources, all those people, those who are very rich and influential, if they commit some crimes, their cases are swept away under the mat. And if someone really literally wanted to take an action, couldn't do it, because the justice is not for the common person. The justice is only for those who are very rich and who are more powerful. But Subhash takes everything in his hands, and in this also they have at certain level they have shown that sometime if the justice is not being served, the most important thing is that the people take everything in their hand, and they wanted to give a lesson to others also, that you cannot escape through easily, because there is always someone who is rebellious and who wanted to take a stand to be there for someone. And especially it is a moment that we should also understand that being a bystander doesn't mean that you will be called hero. So Subhash is totally not that kind of material, and the movie is good, similar plot, like predictable, and somehow I think that the romantic portion that was shown at the beginning was swept away, and it was withered away as the story progressed. I hope you really like this, so kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And this can be seen on Disney Hotstar, and for some areas maybe Amazon Prime. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.